In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images into Salesforce HTML email templates. Whether you're looking to enhance the visual appeal of your emails or ensure your brand is consistently represented, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it as straightforward as possible. First, let's start by accessing the App Launcher in Salesforce. You can think of the App Launcher as your main gateway to all the functions and features Salesforce has to offer. Simply click on the App Launcher icon, usually represented by a grid or some dots on your Salesforce homepage. Next, in the App Launcher, you'll want to select Email Templates. This option will direct you to the area where you can both create new templates and manage existing ones. It's a central hub for all your email design needs. Now go ahead and click on New Email Template. This is where we'll be crafting our email from the ground up. When you select this option, you may be prompted to enter some basic details about your template, such as its name and target audience. Feel free to fill in the information as thoroughly as needed to ensure that your template is properly categorized and easy to find in the future. After your template information is filled out, it's time to add an image. Look for the image icon within the template editor. It usually stands out in the toolbar and resembles a small mountain or landscape icon. Hover your cursor over this icon and you'll see options appear. Click to browse or upload an image. Here, Salesforce gives you a couple of different ways to add your images. You can choose to upload an image directly from your computer, which is perfect for personal photos or custom graphics, or you can paste a URL for a web-hosted image. Either way, make sure the image is high quality and aligned with your message and branding. Once the image is inserted, it's important to adjust its height and width as needed. Proper sizing ensures your email looks polished and professional across all devices. Most email clients will allow you to easily drag the corners of your image to adjust dimensions, or you can input specific measurements if precision is essential. Finally, after you've finished editing and are happy with the look of your email, don't forget to click Save. This crucial step ensures all your hard work is preserved and ready for future use. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to enhance your Salesforce emails with eye-catching images. Keep exploring and tweaking to refine your templates even further. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful for you.